just kidding. I don't talk like that. Anyway, this next piece I've been working on for, I don't know, a couple years on and off. Like, I'll work on it, like I'll write it or play it or figure it out, and then I'm like, I hate it, and then I'll go back to it. And then I won't, like, you know, look at it for like another month or a few months or however, another year, and then go back to it. Oh, I hate it. It had lyrics before, and I didn't like the lyrics. I took the lyrics out. I didn't like the way it was coming up. And I don't know, this might be an instrumental piece. I don't know if this is going to make it on the EP. I doubt it, because it's not kind of with the theme. But I told you I would show you guys something musically, just to get away from all the chaos and the craziness. So here it goes. It's called Rain. So what the hell is that? You guys hear that? I swear, anytime I like sit down to record, there's some stuff going down outside my window, but whatever. Okay, here we go. All right. sustain. If you guys are like music geeks and you can hear the mistake I made, I let go of this sustain a little bit 1 second before, like the phrase before the last note. But anyway, that's just my fucking nerd brain. I'm sure most of you guys didn't catch it. If you did, let me know in the comments. But anyway, guys, all right, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next week. Have a great day. Bye. Mwah.